I'm Brandon Doyle, a member of the We Get Around network. I started using Matterport about 5 years ago when I saw it at Inman Connect, and then through the forum got connected with some other local users and reviewed some other 360 products. But I'm out here at Inman Connect today. This afternoon I'll be talking about my book, The Real Estate Marketing Playbook, and going over some easy tips and tricks that people can do for their marketing.
How does that relate back to Matterport service providers? Your book, how would that might help them?
Yep. So in our book, I talk about different marketing tactics, and including using professional photography, 360 tours. We use a tool called Call Action, and what that does is we have a rider on our signs, and we just say text this number to get a 360 tour, and then we use that as lead capture. So I'll be talking about that a little bit more this afternoon.
And what do you think about when you started out, there was just Matterport, so now there's many cameras and platforms. Do you have any thoughts on which ones you prefer? If you could try to just restate that question, it'd be great.
Yeah, so Matterport's great if you're going to be doing it yourself. Otherwise, partnering with an individual in your area that is doing it full time. I've chosen to use Real Vision just because I like that it's DSLR based and it's kind of on demand. And so I don't have to go out there and shoot it. But there's a lot of great do-it-yourself options out there, like iMoviewer. There's one out of Canada, I can't remember the name, but there's like a lot of great options, a lot of people in the space now, so it's fun to watch it grow and see how the community stayed involved.